Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Ticwatch Pro 5 powered by Snapdragon. And big shout out to Snapdragon Insider and Qualcomm for actually sending this out to me free for review. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I'm going to let you know what my experience is having a Ticwatch. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Ticwatch Pro 5 powered by Snapdragon. Big shout out to Qualcomm for actually sending this out to me. Really excited to be a part of their new program, the Snapdragon Insiders. Really cool. Definitely looking forward to the future. But as far as the back, it says that it's powered by Wear OS by Google, Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 wearable platform, rotating crown navigation, dual display with interactive and customizable ultra low power display, long battery life, fast charge, military standard drop protection, 5 ATM water resistant, and the open water swim suitable, built-in compass, GPS and barometer, one tap measurement of multiple health metrics, recovery time, and VO2 max, and 100 professional workout modes on 1,000 plus faces. So as you can see from this is a monster, and I'm really looking forward to this. This is the obsidian color as well. This is gonna be crazy. I'm really looking forward to this. So let's just pop this baby open. Let's stop all the talking. You guys are probably curious about what I'm gonna think about this, since I have the Pixel Watch, which has been my go-to, but the battery life is really not as good as I thought it was gonna be. It's been like it dies within like a day and a half, so I always put it on the charger. But as far as the presentation, as you can see, very minimalistic Ticwatch logo right there. Very reminiscent to the Apple Watch of the past. Very cool. And it kind of has like that holographic look to it. And here we go. The Ticwatch Pro 5. Now, if you guys want to pick one up, the link will be down below. This comes in at about $349. If you guys could catch it on a sale, you guys could check that out. But as far as the beauty of it, really, really nice. The band is like a silicone band, a little bit stiffer right now, but it will actually be good in the future once you wear it a few times. But look at that. Let me see the rotating bezel. All right, so it does have power on and off. So let's just try to power it on. Ticwatch logo pops up, just like so. Put that to the side. Let's see what else is in the box. I'm curious. I did not actually watch any unboxings about this watch, so this is my first impressions. So we do have the charging cable right here, and it looks like it's a Type A. Wear OS by Google, by the way. So I will be pairing this with my Pixel 7 Pro, and you have the logo right there for Movoy. I hope I'm not butchering that, but this is the charger, and you got your free silica gel right there, and you have your Ticwatch representative right here. I'm really just looking forward to just having a rugged watch and just a battery that'll last more than 2 days. I'm really excited for this. So I did have the Apple Watch Ultra, but I do not have that no more since I had the Pixel Watch and I wasn't really using that one. So as far as the user guide, as you guys can see, this is a quick guide, but this is not as quick as you would think it is. So many different modes, watch faces, custom things when it comes to exercising and to just working out. So if you guys want to check that out, and you do have your product safety information. So let's just pop off my Pixel 7 Pro, my Pixel Watch, and let's see what it looks like side by side. Definitely more thicker, but when it comes to the heft, you're gonna have way more battery life, and this is really, I'm so looking forward to this. So let's just pop this on. Let's see what I could do here. See if we can pair this up. I might have to download an app. Is there an app when it comes to this, or just download the Wear OS? Okay, so it actually popped up right on my Pixel 7 Pro. Ticwatch Pro 5, and it says that an app is required to start it. Don't mind the phone, that's just the case. So it looks like you have to download the Voy Health app. So let's get this downloaded, and I'll go into the pairing process as soon as it's done. Or if this knocks out in a few seconds, then I could take you. Okay, we'll be right back. I'll show you everything later. All right, so now that I downloaded the app, it's showing the pin over here, so you can actually pair that up just like that. I should take this case off. There's so many scratches. So it does match up pretty well, right? And you could just, this is a Ticwatch app, by the way. All right, want to check out more data, log in now, go to device, add new device, allow. While using apps, you could decline the Google stuff if you want to, or maybe not. All right, choose a watch to be managed, Ticwatch Pro 5, and now it is in pairing mode. This is a live, guys. This is a live run through of what actually happens here. So it's pairing up. Let's see how long it takes. Wear OS is pretty good. I did actually have that on my Pixel watch, but right, so it's telling you connected successfully, connect Google to your watch, see if it shows any other things that it's not supposed to. If you guys are curious about that, that's a part of the case when it comes to the fingerprint scanner, if you guys are just curious. All right, guys, so we are now back. I did actually have problems trying to load up my account for Google into the watch. There was some type of error, so I just hit the skip button and we can move on to the next one. Set up your screen for a pattern, so you can actually put a password over there. You could do that, and it's just saying that it's wrapping up, and it says setup complete, as you could see. Now, as far as the quality of the band, I'm not the biggest fan of it, and hopefully it's not too irritating, but we will definitely see. I'm not sure if this is removable. It should be, because it does have these little clasps right there, so they should actually come out. So I will actually do some videos of maybe getting a new band for this, but as far as the look of it is really nice, and we could pop this off finally, just like so. And on the phone, it's actually wrapping up as we speak. Now, as far as my first impressions, I will make another video for you guys. So if you guys want to see more content of the Ticwatch Pro 5, we could do that. But let's run through everything that is telling me right now. Learn how to use your watch, learn with swipe. So this is basically things that I already learned when it comes to the Wear OS from Android. So there's a whole bunch of stuff right there. You can swipe to the left, swipe to the right. Let's learn about tiles, all that good stuff. So if you guys never had an Android Wear watch, this is basically what you do with all the watches, just like that. And it looks like it's doing a system update, so I will definitely have to make a follow-up video. But as far as the overall design of the watch, I think it looks really nice. We could definitely change those watch faces, and it looks like it has a mode where it dims the screen, so that is really, really good when it comes to saving battery life. But I'm really curious to see how this works when it comes to that battery life. But let's learn about the two buttons. Press the crown to go back to the watch face. Okay, you can return at any time. Yeah, so I did actually run through this before with the Pixel watch. Just look at all the options that you guys have. But for $350, this should be a beast when it comes to battery life, and just the fact that it has that military standard drop protection. This should be a real boss. Press the side button to see the recently used apps. I thought it had the rotating crown, but it's not a physically rotating, so I wonder if this is just for aesthetics more than what it'll actually do. Alright guys, so I actually forgot to mention the specs about this, but I will actually have the specs down below if you guys don't want to hear me say it. So it does have the Corning Gorilla Glass when it comes to the front, and it says that it has an anti-fingerprint as well on the glass, and it says that the band is interchangeable, and this band is solid silicone, 24 millimeters, Wear OS 3, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and 32, well, no, it's actually 2 gigabytes of RAM, and it's 32 gigabytes of ROM. So you do have a lot of memory on here. 1.43 inch, 46 by 46, 326 on the PPI, full color, always on display, and it is AMOLED as well. And you do have the ultra low power display, and you have the Corning Gorilla anti-fingerprint cover glass as well, which I said earlier. Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi is 2.4 gigahertz, GPS, and it doesn't look like there's no LTE on this. This is just for Wi-Fi, and it does have the NFC capable. Google Pay is good to go. It has a speaker, a mic, a vibrator, PBG, and has a barometer and a compass and a whole bunch of sensors, gyro sensors, heart rate sensors, skin temperature sensors, low latency off-body sensors, compass. Battery capacity is 628 milliamps. This is typical, and it does have the open water swim military standard, and it is compatible with Android 8.0 or newer. And the app is Movoy Health. Now, after all of that, I will let you guys know in about a week or two how I'm liking the watch, what's the battery life like. But as far as the aesthetics, I really like the watch itself. The band, I'm not the biggest fan though, but I know a lot of people like these bands because they're light. But I'm going to see if I can either get a leather one or maybe even a cloth one that it won't really irritate my skin, because usually these type of bands irritate my skin. But if you guys like this video, sorry to make it super long with the specs, but if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Ticwatch Pro 5 and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Now we on there. Later.